Feeling like your to-do list is trying to kill you? Don't worry. These 5 AI tools are like digital life rafts. And no, you don't need a computer science degree to use them. Let's kick it off with Durable AI, basically the microwave of website builders. Just type a few words about what you do, and in about 30 seconds, you've got a full-blown website. Logo, contact form, testimonials, the whole shebang. Honestly, it's so fast it feels like cheating. Next, Opus Clip. Got a long video? Opus finds the gold, automatically. It picks out your best moments, edits them into shorts, adds captions, highlights your face, in a good way, and makes you look way more prepared than you probably were. Think of it as your unpaid video editor with a caffeine addiction. Up next is Reclaim.ai. This one's like having a personal assistant who's obsessed with your calendar. It auto-blocks time for deep work, workouts, lunch, and even pretend I'm busy time, then reschedules it all when life goes sideways. Honestly, it's probably more organized than you are. Then there's Copy.ai. If writing isn't your thing or you just hate doing it, Copy.ai has your back. It whips up emails, social posts, product descriptions, even pickup lines if you're desperate. Just type what you need and boom, instant copy without the writer's block. And finally, Tome. It's like PowerPoint and Canva had a genius baby. You give it an idea, and it builds out sleek presentations, portfolios, or pitch decks in seconds. It's so easy you'll feel weird charging your client for it, but do it anyway. So yeah, these tools won't just save you time. They'll make you look like you've got your life together, even if you're still wearing pajama pants on Zoom. Want more like this? Hit subscribe and I'll keep testing tools so you don't have to. You focus on winning the day. I'll handle the AI.